Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to discuss Go High Level, one of the most popular project management platforms available for agencies. It is an all-in-one platform designed specifically for marketing agencies. It offers a wide range of features including CRM, email marketing, booking appointments, creating landing pages, managing clients and projects, sales pipelines, and much more. Basically, it's a tool that brings everything together in one place to make running your agency easier. And before we jump into everything that this platform has to offer, I want to let you know about a special bonus. Normally, if you go through Go High Level's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers a lot of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you are going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. First off, let me explain why Go High Level is a total game changer for managing your agency. I use it every single day and it keeps everything running smoothly. I'm also an affiliate because it actually works and delivers what it promises. The best part is that it replaces so many other tools that you might already be using. So instead of paying for separate subscriptions to things like Slack, WordPress, MailChimp, Kajabi, or DocuSign, this platform puts all of that in one place. Plus, it can save you a lot of money. You could go from spending thousands every month to just $97 or $297. It's not just about savings though. It also makes your daily work so much easier by keeping everything in one spot. Now, one of the best reasons to pick Go High Level is its powerful CRM system, which is the core of the platform. Unlike other CRMs that need extra tools or integrations, Go High Level gives you everything that you need in one place. It keeps track of all of your client interactions and lead details in one central spot. Now, this makes your data more accurate and it helps you turn leads into loyal customers faster. Studies show that agencies using an all-in-one CRM respond quicker and get better conversion rates. Plus, the system lets you create advanced segments and set up automated follow-ups. Now, this means that every client gets personal attention and timely messages, leading to happier customers and strong long-term relationships. Plus, Go High Level has a great email marketing tool that lets agencies design, send, and track email campaigns all in one place. You don't need to use another platform because everything is built right into this system. It's easy to create custom campaigns that connect with specific groups of people. Studies show that personalized emails work better than generic ones, and with Go High Level's automation, you can send well-timed personal messages to nurture leads. Additionally, since the email tool is connected to the CRM, every email is backed by data. This makes your marketing more effective and easier to measure. Another big plus of Go High Level is its appointment scheduling and calendar management tools. In today's busy world, having a reliable system to handle bookings and appointments is super important. Go High Level has a built-in calendar that syncs with client schedules and automatically sends reminders to cut down on missed appointments. You can also customize your availability and create booking links that show your open slots. This means that you no longer need to use other scheduling tools or waste time trying to find a time that works for everyone. In addition to that, the platform caters to those who run courses or community-based projects. The membership area makes it simple to manage your course content and connect with your community. Plus, there's a media storage section where you can upload your logos, images, and other brand assets. Now, this way, all of your visual content is easy to find, use, and share. Furthermore, as an agency, you need to create landing pages and funnels to capture leads. Go High Level's landing page and funnel builder is worth mentioning here. In today's world of digital marketing, creating landing pages that actually convert is super important. Go High Level makes this easy with its drag and drop editor. You can quickly design pages that look great and are built to turn visitors into customers. Plus, you can also use it to build funnels that guide potential customers through the sales process and turn them into paying clients. Additionally, Go High Level's sales pipeline tool helps agencies close deals faster and more efficiently. You can easily keep track of all of the leads in your pipelines, set up automated follow-ups, and see where each lead is in the sales process. This way, you can focus on hot deals and close deals quickly. Plus, the easy-to-navigate interface makes it simple to track progress and make adjustments as needed. Automation is key to running a successful agency, and Go High Level's automation and workflow features make it easy to set up and manage. The platform lets users set up automated workflows to handle things like lead nurturing, follow-up emails, task assignments, and social media scheduling. By automating these repetitive tasks, agencies save time and resources. This means that the team can focus more on delivering results for their clients. Another thing that makes Go High Level stand out is its white label feature. This lets agencies rebrand the software as its own. It's a big plus for companies that want to offer an all-in-one digital marketing and project management services under their own brand. By using the white label option, agencies can show a professional, unified image to their clients while still using Go High Level's powerful tools. Research shows that a strong, consistent brand builds more trust and loyalty from clients. So, the white label feature is a smart way for agencies to stand out in a crowded market. Moreover, Go High Level provides in-depth reporting tools that help you keep track of your digital advertising efforts. If you're running Facebook or Google ads, the platform gives you detailed reports to show how your campaigns are doing. These reports help you understand the numbers and improve your strategies. It also has a call reporting feature that tracks all incoming and outgoing calls so you can stay on top of your communication. Plus, there's an app marketplace where you can add extra tools or even white label apps. White labeling means that you can put your own logo on these apps and sell them as part of your services. Now, this is a great way to bring in more income for your agency. Finally, Go High Level also has a mobile app for iOS and Android. It works just like the desktop version, so you can manage meetings, talk to clients, and even keep track of tasks anywhere. The app allows you to stay connected with your team and clients no matter where you are. You can easily schedule appointments, review project updates, and respond to messages in real time. The interface is simple and it's easy to use, so it's smooth to get around even on a small screen. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you understand why Go High Level is the best project management platform for agencies. It's more than just a tool, it's a complete solution to streamline every aspect of your business. Before you go, don't forget about the special offer that I mentioned at the start of this video. If you use my affiliate link in the description below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial of Go High Level instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course where I will walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.